Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. Although I'm not crazy excited over the Super Bowl because my Bengals won't be in it, I am excited over the huge Super Bowl sale that is going on at Gerard Cosmetics. It started February 9th and it goes on until February 13th. And y'all, this is the time to stock up, load up, back up, do all the things up when it comes to the huge Super Bowl sale. So if you're new here, before we jump into my favorites, my must-haves, what I will be stocking up on, hi, my name's Rhonda, and over here we play in makeup, we talk makeup, we do makeup unboxings, all the things, and we have a good old time in this judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. I have another channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, where I do a lot of CoverGirl try-on hauls, and of course I'm in the kitchen, not because I want to be, but because I do have to feed my fam bam. Check me out on that channel, Hotmess in the Kitchen. Of course, I'm on TikTok and Instagram at Hotmess Momma of 4, and shout out and thank you to my YouTube members for helping support the channel when you don't have to. I definitely appreciate you all. Huge shout out and thank you to Gerard Cosmetics for sponsoring today's video. I have some of my absolute must-haves, my favorite Gerard Cosmetics items that I just won't be without. Yes, I've got a box sitting here. Yes, I've got backups in here because this is serious. I don't think in the history of Gerard Cosmetics they've ever had a 57% off sale. I don't think this is going to be anything that is new news to you all, but I do believe this came out February of 2022, last year. This is the GC Love Hair AF. 57% off. This bottle will last you legitimately 2 months. You can use this 3 times a day. It's just 10 drops underneath your tongue. Let it sit for about 20 seconds. I am gonna be 45 this year, and you all know, like, everybody keeps warning me, like, okay, well, when you start like mid 40s, you're gonna start your hair thinning and all of that, y'all. I don't think so. I don't think so. I got my hair AF, okay? And I mean, you guys can see the roots. You can see the roots. My hair has never grown this fast until I started using the hair AF. I won't be without it. I swear by it. It was funny because when I started taking this, when it first released, a lot of y'all know I have thyroid problems, and people were like, good luck with that, sweetie. I mean, you've got a lot going against you. It's not gonna work. Beg to differ. It works. 100% hands down, it works. I know I've recommended it to a lot of you all for good reason. So this is definitely one I would say stock up. You're gonna notice a difference, legitimately, at least I did, in the first month. So I wasn't even done with this bottle before I started noticing a difference. Now, as you all know, like, when I occasionally get highlights, my daughter is my cosmetologist, and she has even, and I've got these over on Instagram, she's even taken video footage of like the little sprouts that I have. I don't care that they come in gray. Like, I just embrace that. I could care freaking less. I'm just happy to have hair growing. So yes, this is a must. Second thing that I think I am a broken record over, it's gonna probably be a toss-up. It's gonna be close, but the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base. Every single day I always use this one, the medium shade. I mean, you can see, and these will last you forever. I maybe go through one a year, maybe. I love the medium shade personally on my skin because, first, as you mature, you don't want to highlight too much of your face with like brightening concealers or things like that. So I always tend to just stick with the medium because I will put this underneath my eyes. It helps with like crepiness and fine lines and everything. I will also put this in my T-zone because if you have large pores, it does help to conceal it. You don't have to set it. I do, just because I crease no matter what, but I will set underneath my eyes, but I will use my eyeshadow as like the setting powder, if you will. So I have it on today. I love this stuff. I swear by it. And this is the only primer. This is the only primer I use. When my T-zone will be inflamed or anything like that, I will use the medium shade right in my T-zone. And you can even spot correct, because it's like self-setting on, like, if you got a pimple, you can put it on your pimple and it kind of self-sets and you don't have to worry about fiddling with it. It's great. Let's talk about the lips. So these sell out really quick, okay? So I suggest jump on in there and snatch up the lip liners. My favorite, you all know I've talked about this once again since probably 2019, Sugar and Spice. I have it on my lips today. If you like to do a little bit of an overline on your lips, go with Sugar and Spice or Nude. or share. Melrose Place is a good one too. You can't get wrong with any of the nude shades from Gerard Cosmetics. They're so nice. They're rich, they're creamy, and if you have like lines in your lips, I swear there is some sort of like soothing, smoothing property to the Gerard Cosmetics liners. I mean, they are absolutely amazing. They're like a gel-based creamy deliciousness. There's no feathering. And I will say, let me dig it out real quick. I did not know there was a lip plumper that they offer. I always swear by a lip plumper because it like helps to like plump up those lines. So if you do have fine lines in your lips, pick up the Gerard Cosmetics lip plumper. I again have it on today, and then I let it sit while I do my entire face. Then when I get ready to go in with my lipsticks, then I remove whatever hasn't been absorbed in, and then I go in with like sugar and spice, overline my lips a little bit, and color in my lips a little bit as well. Okay, today I have on Nude, the Lip Bullet, and then Buttercup, favorite. I mean, I don't know how many of these I've gone through. So Buttercup is one of my faves. I did pick up Nude as well, and that is one, I laid that down first, Nude. Then I went in with Buttercup, and then I topped it with Shimmer of Hope. I mean, you can't go wrong with the bougie glosses either, y'all. Which, the Shimmer of Hope is a bougie gloss. Well, okay, they're not called bougie glosses. That's just the nickname that I've given them because I do feel rather fancy when I'm using them, because see, look, you guys see they light up. So I'm like, I'm so fancy, you already know. No, I'm really not, but Gerard Cosmetics makes me feel fancy. So that one was Buttercream, but maybe I left it sitting on my and it's just gorgeous. Another thing, my favorite highlighter with Gerard Cosmetics is Grace. I have that one on as well today, and it's just a really pretty, like, in my opinion, like a neutrally soft type of highlighter. I mean, you could build it up. You could like spritz your brush if you want and really get it to pop. But just for like a natural, like today my eyes are really stealing the show, in my opinion. I'm doing it as a duper just a waste of money. So I didn't want too blinding of a highlight, so I went in real soft with the shade Grace, and I just kind of right there on my nose, on my lip, and it's just a nice, beautiful, natural kind of glow from within type of highlighter. I really like it. And then of course I gotta mention the setting sprays. So this one is actually a hydrating face mist. I will sometimes use this before I like even start my makeup, or after I've done my skincare. And I do this, and I'll kind of like do it sometimes throughout the day, or I'll use, this one's watermelon, it's kind of one of my favorites, I'm almost out, but I will use the setting spray all the time, even if I don't have makeup on. Y'all, I just went to Pennsylvania. I did a get ready with me, like what was in my bag. It's not been edited yet, but I like these little tiny like travel size ones too, because you can get through TSA. Not that I flew, that's too expensive, I drove. But I did take with me a little travel size setting spray, Slay All Day. You can't go wrong with these. They have a ton of scents. You all know, especially like these bougie glosses, guys. They're pretty freaking nice. But if you are like, Rhonda, out of everything, what? I'm gonna tell you these two. Why? Let me tell you. These two, I do have a discount code, which is Hotmess. You're not going to be able to use it today, but typically every other day of the week, y'all, you're going to be able to save 30% on everything I've talked about. I did forget to mention the Whitening Lightning. I like that as well. It's a teeth whitening set. It does not make my teeth sensitive at all. You can use my coupon code HOTMESS to save yourself 30% all the time. All the time. However, it will not work on the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye bases or on the GC Love Harry F. So that's when I'm saying 57% off. Just ignore everything else I said and just stick with these two. If you know, there's only a couple things you guys can pick up, just go with these. You will love them. Like I said, within a month I started to notice little hair sprouts, and I won't be without these two products. Like I was telling y'all, the sale's 57% off. You can't beat it. I'm gonna have a link down below. If you do shop using my link, thank you. It is an affiliate link, so I will earn a little bit of commission, so I definitely appreciate it. But like I said, my coupon code's not gonna work. You're getting a better deal with this huge style, and these are never 57% off. So run, highly recommend. And that's all I got for you guys today. I can't say enough about those two products. To be honest, I could have sat and talked the entire time just about these two products. So anyways, thank you to Gerard Cosmetics for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love and adore Jen, the whole crew over at Gerard Cosmetics, and you're getting great quality products that are gonna last, that are just absolutely gonna work. They are amazing, and I can't sing enough praise. So check my description box down below. I will have what I talked about listed down below. I always do like fake a full juicy lip type of dealio, and you can't go wrong with Sugar and Spice, Buttercream, Buttercup, and what a shimmer pip. I'll just list it for y'all because I'm gonna just keep on rambling. Y'all know that. Y'all know that. So anyways, thank you guys if you made it to the end of today's video. I greatly appreciate it. Once again, thank you to Gerard Cosmetics for sponsoring today's video. Definitely make sure to check out the website. The sale ends on February 13th. So go ahead and fill your carts, because you know these things are going to sell out, especially them lip liners, especially the clean canvas eye bases. So anyways, once again, thank you all. Thank you to my YouTube members for helping to support the channel. Check me out on my other channels, of course, on TikTok and Instagram. And until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, friends.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper.